Hey everyone, welcome back to All American Motors. Today we're in the shop, but we're doing something a little bit different. It's about 1 degrees in Arkansas here. I'm dressed pretty warm. We're actually going to be building a toboggan type sled. You'll see here I've already started cutting out the base of my runner. It's going to be pretty simple, using all scrap material that we had laying around. For the most part, I'm going to get started showing you how to do that. That'll be it. Got another hockey stick traced out. Time to cut it. Pretty simple. We just drew this out. I guess I can pull a number on this.
Dad actually drew it out for us.
Let's see. It'll be, about a 2-foot sled, 26-inch.
It'll be for
approximately about 37.
It'll be for our little siblings. So
It'll end up being about 12 inches wide. That small. Cutting it out. This blade isn't the one that works well. Maybe I'll switch. A smaller blade. You want to grab me that blade blade?
yeah.
Alright guys, installing new blades. I thought I already had these blades on for whatever reason. Of course, you can't do anything with gloves on.
Let's get the blade in here.
Alright, let's get back to town with the smaller blade. Alright guys, hopefully I don't get too cold. There's a lot of snow out here. 6 inches to about a foot of snow.
Grandma will be careful.
I'm bending some metal for all the viewers. I'm building a toboggan today. We're gonna just go up about 90 degrees, I assume.
Oh, that's not really good. It's a lot of snow.
Is that a little bit too far?
Nah, that's good.
Oh yeah. We bent that up about 1.5 inches. Let's do it again. On the other side.
Get the lines lined up and push the bar.
It's snowy out here. Cold night. Hopefully y'all can see this with that light.
Yeah, they can.
Alright, we'll bend it up.
Hopefully this will be helpful.
We could just grab one of these sleds, you know. But what's the point in that when you can make your own sled? Alright, climb it down.
Bend it towards it.
Alright, let's see.
That's the start of a bend at least. Hey, leave it, leave it. That's good, dude. Don't do this. Don't do this part.
We can straighten these out. See where we crinkled it? We can straighten that out.
Yeah. See, it
Well,
blinks the light.
I was trying to video, but obviously it was taking pictures. All right, guys, we built the toboggan. Let's try it out. We're trying out the sled, the toboggan, the one I built.
Let's go to the big hill.
Oh yeah, this is.
Look at it. It's like a streak liner.
Wait, is it sledding?
I hope it's good for sledding. Oh, follow the path. Oh, it's trying to run away on him.
All right. Let's go.
Should I push you?
Yeah, push me.
Let's see.
Best sled I've used in a while.
That is awesome. Look how small it is, too. It's my turn. It's my turn. I'm gonna ride down with the camera.
No, you're too heavy.
Oh, there's little handles?
You want me to push you?
No, wait a second. All right.
Alright guys, we made a sled successfully, and it worked! Thanks for watching, hit that like button, and if you like it, subscribe, turn on that bell, ring that bell. Goes even further. Oh, best sled ever, super slick.
Wow. That's a homemade sled right there. Thanks for watching this DIY project.